Wow, that was nice, wasn't it?
That felt good. I feel like I need, to go outside for a second. All right, so we have some glue around a pipe. That didn't look very stable.
Yeah, it wasn't. I got the idea why it could be useful, but they didn't finish the job. Yeah. Oh, that's smart. Do you know
That's
what
cool.
is
Okay, so it's just a... Oh!
Okay.
I like it.
That's nice. That's nice. Wow.
Okay, plastic bag. This reminds me of a Saturday night. All right, so we just dip this into the paint. Excuse me.
Okay.
That was really weird. Why did they do it like that? Mosquito hole in your net, nail polish, let it dry.
Okay. And yeah.
And it remakes it? Wow.
Yes, you can.
Oh, wow, she just pulled that fake tooth out of her mouth. All right, silver.
But why?
A sliver of silver, and now we have a nice phone. We're covering it in alginate
To get a mold
to get a mold.
out of your phone, fake phone.
Fake. Yeah.
Everything fake here.
Everything's fake.
Tooth, phone, and what else? We'll see in a moment.
That's true. That's true. But you know what isn't fake?
What? Our reaction.
Our reactions. Please let us know in the comments how much you love this video and follow us. Thank you.
Well, I guess nobody.
Yeah, no. Or how much you hate it. We like that as well. So solder, okay.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, so wow, they're cutting through the metal. That looks scary. Okay. I didn't know metal could be cut that easily, but okay.
It's not that easy because it's a speed up process.
Ah, I thought that was actual the speed, so.
Yeah, the whole speed.
Okay, we're taking this tool, we're twisting our wire.
Okay.
Nice. Ooh, nice and tight.
Tight.
Tight. All right,
Okay.
so we're putting it through this thing that flattens the thing into chains.
Okay. It's how the bracelet's making.
Yeah.
I mean, one of the way.
Okay, so we're rolling it up. Roll, 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 roll your boat gently down the stream. Okay, doing the same thing again.
I love these pliers. It's gonna... I don't know. I want to do this for some reason. I just want to bend to
We can
something.
get it for you afterwards, don't worry.
Thank you. It's very kind of you.
Okay, so now we're soldering it all together.
Okay, yeah. Soldering. I love soldering. Did I already say it?
You've said that like 50,000 times, yeah, I'm pretty sure. Every single video that they're soldering, you're like, oh, I love that. I love soldering. Oh my god, soldering. Wow, if you love it so much, why don't you marry it?
I guess I should.
You should probably marry solder.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, more twisting. I like this little tool. That's fun.
Mm-hmm.
I like the way he plays with his little tool.
Yeah, it's for sure it's a homemade tool, which he did especially for this purpose, which is respect.
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 Respectful.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so soldering again.
I love it.
Okay, good. Nice.
That was.
Do you love soldering as much as Archie? Let us know. I doubt it though.
I have doubts as well.
Yeah.
But if you do,
Do you dream about soldering? Yeah, text me. We can talk about soldering.
Yes.
Jeez.
So the soldering is amazing.
Okay.
Love soldering.
I know.
What's happened with my voice? I just was upset about soldering.
Okay, so now we're making little holes in this.
This for your speakers. Sound to sound go.
So people can hear you talk. I don't know why they would want to, but maybe you have something good to say.
You know, one of my friends, he also did some homemade cover for the phone, and he used silicone to get the mold, and he used his phone to make it.
Wow.
And he just sealed all these speakers holes, and now he broke the phone. It didn't work.
Well, on the bright side, this looks kind of cool. You missed it though when you were telling your story.
Right.
You should stop telling stories.
Okay.
You miss everything.
Yes. Okay. Sorry. No more stories.
I'm just kidding. Tell a story.
No, you're not.
Okay, now I'll tell a story. Ooh, ooh.
What are you doing? No, not the foot. Why would you hammer the foot? That makes no sense. What even is that? Okay, so now we're putting tin. We're making a mold. All right. Pull out the mold. Now we have a metal foot. Lovely. Oh, why would you drill the toe? Why would you drill the toe like that? That's... this is making me uncomfortable for some reason. I have like phantom limb syndrome. Okay. Now they're sanding down the foot. Alright, what are we doing here? Just a big old hole in the foot. That's where the bone's gonna go. Are we making a whole metal person? Okay. It's kind of satisfying, actually. Now it's going onto a log. Alright, this is weird. They haven't studied the human anatomy enough. Okay. Chip that off. I'm very curious as to where this is going now. Okay, they're shaving down it looks like they're making a leg. They're making a wooden leg. Okay, sand it down. Alright, they're burning it. Interesting. Interesting choice. Nice. Alright, say less. And a little varnish, just to make it pop. Boom. Alright, so I'm still confused. Like, well, who is this for? What is this helping? How are we helping the world with this foot leg thing? Alright. What is it? I get it. It's you're tickling it. That's weird. Why do I feel that? It's a hammer. Okay, it's a really bad hammer. That doesn't look that good functionally. Alright, now we're ruining our tile floor. For what? There's just paint everywhere. You know, 5-Minute Crafts, they've got something going on. I wonder how they come up with these ideas sometimes. Alright, they're cutting this down, a little shavy shave. So it looks like they're making some kind of shoe, potentially? This seems to be a footy video. A lot of feet in this, which is, you know, it makes sense. Because the internet loves feet. Okay. So this is gonna be a really high shoe. I'm imagining some kind of heel now. Okay, cut that off. A little bit of scraper disc. That looks dangerous. I don't want to. Big tools. That ain't for me. Have you ever used a scraper disc? Okay. So this is interesting. It looks like they're making a wooden clog heel. Would you wear one of those? I don't know. I would try it out if it fit me. Okay, nice and polished. That looks smooth. Okay. That's exactly what I thought. Alright, that looks weird. That is a super weird idea. Why would they do that? So they're gonna pull it off, get the design. Hey, that's, you know what? I was wrong. That looks cool. I'm not afraid to say when I'm wrong. I do it daily. Okay. And we got some leather bits. We're putting on some glue. Wipe that off, and now it's going around the top. I don't know if that color goes with the yellow on the bottom, but a little worried now. Okay. Now we're hammering that in. That doesn't, I don't know if that's strong enough. Is it strong enough? We need to test it with a real foot. Yeah, I don't like the yellow red combination is not for me, personally. Let me know what you guys think. And a bell? Okay. Kind of cool. A little cultural appropriation there. Okay. Interesting. Okay, I would give that like for creativity and stuff, like a 6 out of 10.